Through the new junction we go. Just a tester. Lovely, nice and smooth. Hey. Hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. It's Al in the loft. This video is Sidings 1 and 2 part 2. Let me show you what I've done and what I'm going to do. I never envisaged, well I did, I've always been dreaming of doing this part, but it's happening, so let's get on with it, let's go. In the part 1 I put in this track bed here. I've just painted it grey. I wish I'd painted all my track beds grey rather than leaving them bare plywood. Yeah, this junction is something else, and this is the reception entry road into my sidings. Let's go up the other end. I've got to cut the rails, put the point in. I've got to make a metal bridge over the edge of the beach. I've got to put in a wall here, maybe a little lighthouse thing on the end of the quay, and we're going that away. So this is the template, and from some scrap board in the garage I've managed to get that. Stay there. Oh, there we go. So that's the plywood. I want to make a wall here, block all this in with some probably some cardboard wall and a metal bridge making the span, and this is the start of Sidings 2. So I've got some jiggery pokery to get around this scraps of wood, all different shapes. Well, I've already started here. That's quite a good fit, so I'm looking forward to more. So let me get some wood cut for the frame and we get on with it. I have a choice of points because I've got a short electro frog, and this is a medium which I bought for the job. I haven't decided which I want in here yet, so I can't cut the track until I've decided. The workshop was turned into the loft has turned back into a workshop. Look at the state of it. But there's the wood I want to cut to get me from that corner, that corner, along here, then another one under the board, another one that way probably as well, and then I'm in business really. This can lend itself to a wall or something. Yeah, I'm getting excited. I've been keeping me awake at night working. My brain's been working what I'm going to get up to. I'm even getting tongue-tied thinking about it. This is getting exciting. As this is 9mm board and the piece of scrap out the garage is veneered as 10mm, I've had to put a 1mm packer in. So these are just strengtheners to stop anything going over the years. And here's the first bit in, and it's nice and flush. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. I've left a bit of room because I don't know what's going on here yet, but moving on. Now I can work out where this lives, because two boards want to sit on here in the middle, so I'll show you how that goes. Getting exciting. This is coming along so quickly. Come on, darling. Progress. I don't like working like this to ad hoc kind of thing, but I like working to plans, because these are some of the things I built in my teenage years. I've still got this boat. But back to the layout. Tomorrow I'm going to go to my friend's who's got an engineering company, and I'm going to make a tin bridge, a little tin bridge, so we get some crazy noises as the rails go over this piece of tin. So that'll be interesting. So a tin bridge with one of my bridges on the end of it, and now look, I've joined it to the other end. So this is on its side, this so I can have plywood going that way and the joint here, and then I'm coming out this way. Let me change camera angle. I can't believe how much progress I've made today. You can see the points down there, hopefully, on that board. And this is a mock-up. This is how wide it's going to be. I've no idea what's going to be here, but my sidings. Here's the reception road. My sidings are going to have to be in a banana shape. I don't mind. And then I've got room for a coal stage, goods yard, and I'm even thinking about putting a transverser, what they call them, yeah, transverser yard, and have a lift out bridge. So yes, I'm having the a transverser next to the control panel where I can operate it without leaving the seat. This is all getting jolly exciting. And one more thing I've got to show you, which was arrived in the post. No, two things that arrived in the post that I've got to show you. So let's go and have a look at that. Welcome back down to the hobby room. Poor old screwdriver's on charge. It's been working really hard today. Did I mention coal stage? This is my coal stage building. It's scratch built. There's meant to be a coal wagon being hoisted up, and this is for the coal wagons, and the tenders can get loaded here from this hopper. Yeah, there's the chute coming down there. So this is going to be ready for the layout. I will be selling them. There's another one up there, look, with all my other bits and bobs. Talking about selling, this came from a really great guy called Timber Surf. I should put some links in the description if anybody wants to go and see Timber Surf's website, because he is a walking encyclopedia of railway knowledge. So thank you, Timber. I'm going to keep it private for now until I make this next product using details from Timber. But this is the other thing that's come for the layout. Oh, look, what do you make of this? Oh, not good. It's a Dapol Southern Region lattice home start signal that works. Captain Static bought a double signal. He's got that working on his layout. As soon as I see it on his video, which has a link, should be down below, I just had to have it. I just have to have one. Now I think what's going to happen is that there shall be more. Look at the detail. Oh, and that wonderful. And it all works, and I think it's got the bounce on the blade when it goes down. Can't wait to see it. On that note, I think I'm going to end the video very soon. I've got some laser cutting to do to go with Timber's products. So that's more products for the new website, which not quite finished yet. If you could have a look at the Buckland Junction website link down below, and with that I say thanks for your support, thanks for watching, and please tell other people about Buckland Junction and the crazy things that I'm getting up to. I've had a great day today, so take care all. That's Alan out. Take care. Bye bye. Tutty bye. Au revoir. Well, hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. It is out. I am in the loft. What is this video about? It's part 2 of Sidings 1 and 2. So let me show you the progress so far and what I'm going to do in this video. It's getting quite exciting because I never envisaged being this far. I can't tell you really. Cut. Bleep all. Well, hello and welcome to Buckland Junction. This is video 50 something. Oh god, blooper. Oh no. Cut. Well, hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. It's Al in the loft. This is video Sidings 1 and 2, part 2. I've no idea how many parts there will be, but the sidings are coming on nicely. Bollocks.